How to use cashback apps to save money on shopping. Shopback is your secret weapon for saving money. This popular cashback lets you earn real money back on your purchases from tons of popular stores. You can download this on your Google Play Store. Sign up using your email, Facebook, or Google account. Explore the wide range of stores available on Shopback, from fashion and electronics to travel and food delivery. For example, you want to shop on Shopee? Make sure to copy the link of the item that you want to purchase and then paste it to Shopback. Shopback will activate your cashback offer. Shop as usual, browse, add items to your cart, and proceed to checkout as you normally would. Shopback keeps track of your cashback automatically. You can see your earnings and pending rewards in your account. You can cash out your earnings via PayPal, bank transfer, or gift card. That's how you use cashback apps to save money on shopping.